Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately by confirming the miniature's paint is dry and sealed with a thin gloss coat. This prevents silvering and helps adhesion. Next, cut the decal close to the art with a sharp blade for easier placement. Once cut, drop the decal backing into water for 5–10 seconds. Wait until the edge releases. Using tweezers, lift the decal and let it slide onto the backing card so you can transfer it to the model without stretching the film. You now place and settle the decal. Slide it gently off the backing onto the model and use a damp, soft brush to nudge it into the exact spot. Once positioned, make sure to apply micro set beneath the decal to improve initial grip, then a light layer of micro sol on top to soften the film and settle it over panel lines. Press out water and air with a soft brush or paper towel and allow the solutions to act for about 10 to 15 minutes so the decal conforms. You finish by sealing the decal. Once fully dry, spray a thin gloss varnish to blend the film, then follow with matte or satin to match the miniature's finish. If an edge lifts, apply micro set under the lift and press gently with a damp cotton bud until it adheres. If wrinkles appear, carefully dab micro sol and warm the area briefly with a hairdryer on low to relax the film. Be patient and avoid heavy rubbing, because overworking will tear or distort the decal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.